A gasp of awe echoes across the wild, where the grass sways gently and every creature seems to hold its breath. The snake, ruling through venom and speed, appears to have no equal, yet nature always finds a way to break its own rules. Some small and seemingly fragile creatures possess a remarkable resistance to venom. What gives them the courage to face one of the most feared predators on the planet? Across the African grasslands, the mongoose appears humble, weighing less than 5 pounds. Yet beneath that small frame lies rare boldness. Its tiny ears stand alert, and its keen nose tracks every trace left behind. It can sense the presence of a snake, even when the predator hides deep within the grass. Even against the cobra, whose venom can bring down animals many times larger, the mongoose never backs away. Its secret lies in speed and precision. The mongoose moves in swift bursts, making each strike of the snake land on empty air. When the serpent begins to tire, it delivers a quick, accurate bite to the back of the head, a vulnerable opening that ends the chase in an instant. More remarkably, its body produces a special glycoprotein that neutralizes venom, turning the snake's most potent weapon into a failed counterattack. Beyond instinct, there is learning. Each generation passes its wisdom to the next. Mother mongooses train their young, first with dead snakes, then with harmless ones, before facing real danger. Through this process, a fearless fighter is forged, ready to confront any challenge the wild presents. Along a calm riverbank, a snake slithers close to the edge, unaware of the danger waiting below. In a sudden burst, a crocodile erupts from the water, shattering the surface in an instant. Stretching over 15 feet in length, with jaws built for immense force, the crocodile quickly takes control. Its thick, scaly hide acts like armor, leaving it nearly unaffected by resistance. The snake may be swift and venomous, but whether on land or in water, such advantages mean little against this ancient shadow. The crocodile proves that patience and ambush can be even more formidable than speed. Beneath the stillness of the river lies a predator perfected by millions of years of evolution. Across the vast grasslands and savannas of East, West, and Southern Africa, the snake eagle is a nightmare from above for reptiles below. Though not massive in size, its golden eyes and powerful wings make it a sudden, formidable force. In a quiet moment, it dives at astonishing speed, and the snake on the ground has nowhere left to go. Its most formidable weapon lies in its talons. They are strong enough to grip through tough scales and lift a snake clean off the ground in a single strike. Sometimes the prey is carried away mid-flight. Other times, it is brought back to the nest to feed the young. Thick, rough skin on its legs protects the eagle from retaliatory bites, while its sharp vision, able to detect the slightest movement from nearly 1,000 yards away, makes each dive almost perfectly precise. If there is one animal that truly knows no fear, it is the honey badger. From the African plains to the semi-arid lands of India, it is famed for challenging predators many times its size, even leopards and lions. And when faced with venomous snakes, the honey badger never hesitates. Its weapons are a rare combination: thick, loose skin that resists piercing teeth, and a remarkable resistance to venom. A cobra's bite, often devastating to many animals, may slow it for a moment, but soon it recovers and regains control. With sharp teeth and strong claws, it strikes relentlessly, pressuring its opponent until there is no opening to escape. The honey badger's determination extends beyond the ground. It can climb trees to chase its target, turning even the branches above into part of the hunt. Such agility makes escape difficult, even for snakes hiding high up. What makes the honey badger truly extraordinary is not just strength, but its fierce instinct for survival. It rushes into danger with rare defiance, as if knowing nature has gifted it with armor and endurance beyond measure. That fearlessness alone causes many snakes to retreat quietly, choosing to slip away rather than face a creature that knows no limits. Porcupines